Hi class, let's take a look at example 3. In example 3, it's similar to example 2. They're actually related to the previous two, except that, well, the x and the square root happens to be at the bottom. So in this case, we're looking at this subsection, and the closest one that I see happens to be 108. And on the good news, it doesn't appear that we're going to have to do any substitution or simplification to apply the integral. In this case, by 108, we're just going to basically let u is equal to your x, the a is equal to the 9, the b is equal to the 5. So we can rewrite this integral. So this is the integral of the x over x square root of 9 plus 5x is equivalent to 1 over the square root of a, so 1 over the square root of 9. We have the ln absolute value, and this one just has the a plus bu, so 9 plus 5x minus the square root of 9. We'll simplify those square root of 9s, then a 9 plus 5x, and then plus the square root of 9. Close the absolute value, and then plus the values of c. In this case, the a is just what allows us to actually apply that formula. So we're looking at 1/3 ln absolute value of the square root of 9 plus 5x minus 3 over square root of 9 plus 5x plus 3. Close the absolute value, plus c. And that is the formula. Really short. It actually fit the problem. We didn't have to do any sort of a substitution.